Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you log out a WhatsApp account. To log out a WhatsApp account, you could actually do this in a couple of different methods. The first thing is you could go and open up your WhatsApp application, and then you could go to your three dot icon in the top right hand side corner, go to settings, then you could go ahead and click on your profile info, and you could then go ahead and click on you could actually go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, or you could go to account and click on the delete account option. But this is going to delete your account. But for a simple logout, what you could do is you simply want to make sure to long press onto the WhatsApp application, go to this I button, and here you want to click on storage and cache, and once you do it so, you'll be logged out. And after you open up your WhatsApp application, you'll be asked to sign in once again with your credential or with your desired number, and that is how it's gonna work out. The other way to do it so is just simply uninstalling it. Can also be a helpful way to actually go ahead and log out of your WhatsApp account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.